Hey Tech Explorers, welcome to Mini Mind Missions. This is where we use our brains and our bodies to go on awesome adventures through the world of technology. Today, you're taking on a digital training mission. We'll explore virtual reality, coding, robots, and augmented reality. First up, virtual reality. When you wear VR goggles, it feels like you're inside a brand new world. You can look all around and explore places you've never been. But in this VR game, the world changes fast. You get one scene, one movement, then we switch. Get ready to move quick. Put on your VR headset. Loading. You're on the ocean. Surf. Now, you're climbing up a mountain. Reach up and climb. You're in a race car. Steer left. You're rowing a canoe. Row, row. You're a baby. Cry, cry. You're on a water slide. Slide, slide. You're playing tug of war with a dog. Pull, pull. Phew, that's how fast VR can take you anywhere. Now, it's time to code a robot. This robot's job is to help clean up the ocean, but it can't do anything unless you program it by moving. Every move you make tells the robot what it should do. Would you rather code the robot to do a silly dance, or code it to pick up plastic bottles? Would you rather code the robot to read a book, code it to clean oil off sea animals after a spill? Would you rather code it to chase the fish away, or code it to move slowly so it doesn't scare sea animals? Well done! You coded the robot to carry out a mission that helps clean our oceans. Final mission, Tech Explorers, Augmented Reality, or AR. AR is when you can still see the real world around you, but digital images and information are added on top. Today, we're using our AR glasses for time travel. Loading. Historical overlay activated. Your challenge, spot what's from the past created by the AR overlay. You did it, Tech Hero. See you next time for more missions on Mini Mind Missions.